If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am filming my third video, so if you guys see me wearing the same thing for 3 videos, that is why. But anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing this VoxBox that I received like 2 weeks ago or so, and I'm really excited to see what it is. It doesn't say anything, it just says fragile liquid, handle with care. So let's open this up and see what it is. Okay, it's hard to open. They used a different sticker today. Here we go. Ta-da! So this is the Spring Pick VoxBox. Ooh, that's exciting. And they sent me the card of how to review the items in here and then the products that they sent me. Okay, I'm excited. So I'm going to begin with this box right here. Okay, I can't pronounce that, but it's like Biosense, something like that. So this is a Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. Face cream deeply moisturizes skin. Plant-derived squalene. Okay, this is cool. I've never heard of Squalene before, so I'm excited to try this out. So this is a clean, conscious, high performance cream, and here is the cream. It's actually a big container, since usually they send like a big box and a little container. Let's see, how many ounces is this? This is 1.69 fluid ounces. This is what it looks like. Apply to skin morning and night. So I will be trying out this tonight, and I will let you guys know if I like this or not. Maybe in the comments I'll like pin something, or I will put it in the description box. This smells really refreshing. That's what it looks like. It's just a white cream. It smells good. Here, and put it right here. So it feels lightweight, doesn't feel sticky at all. We will see if it actually works on my skin, and hopefully it doesn't break me out. If it breaks me out, I'll just give it to my boyfriend. Let's see. The next thing that they sent me, it is this little thing, and I got the body Souffle Moroccan oil. Okay, so it is like a little sample package. And this one is the Rich Hydration Argan Oil with Squalene. It also has Squalene. Apply liberally to damp or dry skin daily. So I will also be trying this out tonight. Discover the complete body collection at MoroccanOil.com. That's that. Okay, let me see what else they sent me here. Oh crap. So they also sent me this Musani 25 Miracle Milk 25 Benefit Leave-In Conditioner. So it is for all hair types, and it is a nourishing blend of fennel seed oil and sustainably sourced coconut oil. That's really nice that they sent me this as well. Let me open it up so I could smell it. It says Nourish Leave-In Conditioner, lightweight results, controls flyaways, reduces dryness, helps condition transitioning hair, aids in restoring softness, gives silky touch, helps control frizz, strengthening benefits, helps protect hair during brushing, helps prevent heat damage, helps shield against external aggressors, prevents split ends, improves quality of relaxed hair, detangles, makes blow drying easier. Okay, so for a second I thought like I had to apply this like when I was showering, but I guess you apply this after you shower. So cool. I'm excited for this. It reminds me of something, like a Mexican shampoo or something. Anyways, it's just a white liquid and it's kind of watery. Not too watery, not too thick. Anyways, I'm excited to try this out as well. I will try it out tomorrow, or actually tonight when I shower my hair. That's everything that Influenster sent me in this VoxBox. And I'm really excited to try out all of these 3 products and see if they work for me. So yeah, I will let you guys know either in the comments, in the description box, or maybe on Instagram, because I do have to post these things on Instagram. I will have Influenster linked in the description box, so you guys could go sign up. It is completely free, and yeah. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even